Hey everyone, Travis Thom here with Elevated Real Estate Marketing. Recently I've had a couple of people ask me what type of ads should I be running? And they are kind of a little confused about what you should actually create. And sometimes it can be a little bit more simple than you think. A lot of times we overthink what kind of actual campaign should we be running. Well, a good way to really start is to actually listen to your buyers and sellers, listen to your actual clients, listen to the people that call in and inquire about a certain property. Get an idea of what are the questions that they're asking, and then start to compile a healthy list of those questions. So if you keep hearing a question over and over again, something like, how much money do I need for a down payment? Or what type of credit score do I need in order to buy X amount of price, right? Or what are the common things that we should look out for when getting our house ready? What's going to produce us the most amount of money? What should we pay attention to? What should we actually fix? All of these are really good questions that you can package into a Facebook ad. Another thing you can do is check out what people are searching for. So type those questions into Google search, scroll down to the bottom. There's a little bit of a hack here. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see a little list that says people also searched for, and that's going to give you maybe about 10 different keyword suggestions. So you can actually then look at the actual writing people used, actual words they typed in, and then use that as your headline. So something that might be along the lines of, what is the best way to get the most amount of profit from my home? Rephrase that then a little bit more, right? You could then repackage that as how to sell your home for more than it's worth, right? That could be a little bit of a misleading headline, but a little bit of a clickbait there. So just start to investigate different headlines, play around with questions that people are actually asking you, and then turn that into value. That's a big thing I really see a lot of agents making the mistake of, is they don't really offer a lot of value. When you're in Facebook as a discovery platform, so typically you're on there kind of cruising through, looking at photos and videos and chatting with friends and family, and those direct response type of offers that are focused more on, hey, if you're thinking about buying and selling, connect with me now, don't work, right? You never really get any high engagement or click-through rate on those. So you need to position yourself as someone that's an educator. Provide reciprocity. Give them an item of value that, one, makes them feel that you are helping them and educating them, providing information that provides something of actual value that they can take and put to use. So if you can really package some of those ideas and start to give them the knowledge that you have, turn it into a blog post, turn it into a video, turn it into a PDF that they can download, or a 5-day email series. It's really easy to be able to package those different items and then just give it to them, right? If you can help them and show that you're the expert and authority figure, it's going to position you in their mind as the solution to the next challenge coming up in that life stage, whatever it might be. So if you can answer those questions, answer anything that's inside their head kind of rumbling around by tapping into the greater common questions that you typically hear and that you find on the internet, that's going to help you get in the door. Next is then establishing a conversation and taking them through a conversion process, offering them more items of value. Certain things that are focused on the actual task at hand. Do they want to see a property? Do they need a custom home valuation? So provide value first. Struggle a little bit with writing different type of headlines, figure out the right one that works, A and B split test it, and then after that, start to ask for the business. So give value first, then ask for the business. Hopefully that helps. If you guys have any questions, post them in the comments.